Hi, welcome to fourth grade at Turnbow Elementary. We can't wait to start a fantastic school year with you. Please listen to the following presentation as there is a lot of important information for students and their families to know. Meet your fourth grade teachers, Mrs. Parton, Mrs. Hester, and Mrs. Vasquez. The fourth grade team will be departmentalizing this year. Mrs. Parton will be teaching math, Mrs. Hester will be teaching writing, and Mrs. Vasquez will be teaching reading. Students will remain in their homeroom classes all day, and the teachers will rotate throughout the classes during the day to teach the subjects. Parents, please sign up for Remind. Find your child's homeroom teacher and then follow the directions below her name to sign up for these important reminders. Your teacher will be using Remind throughout the year to communicate important information to you. Thank you so much for signing up for Remind. You should have received a pink acceptable use agreement in the mail. Please complete the front and back of that form and bring that form to school with you on the first day of school. This form is very important. It will allow your child to use their Chromebook and other technology tools throughout the day at school. Additionally, it will also allow your child to take their Chromebook home in case we get sent home for remote learning. Also, if you decide to choose the insurance option, you may send payment for that on the first day of school as well. Again, this form is very important. Please return it as soon as possible. Here is Turnbow Elementary's supply list for this school year. Please note that most of the supplies that your child will need has already been provided and is already at school waiting on your child. However, there are a few items that we are asking parents to provide. One of those is headphones. Please be sure that you have purchased a pair of headphones for your child to use. The school will not be providing those as they have in the past. Also, we wanted to let you know that water bottles have been provided for each child this year. In fourth grade, each student will receive an agenda. At the end of every school day, your child will write down homework assignments in their agenda. At night at home, we are asking that parents review the agenda, make sure your child has completed the assignments, and sign at the bottom where parent signature is notated. Help your child remember to return their agenda to school the next morning. Teachers will be checking agendas at the beginning of each day. In addition to the agenda, your child will also be bringing home a take-home folder. The take-home folder could include important items such as notes from school. It might also have resources and materials needed to complete homework assignments, or there are days that it might be empty. Please also get in the habit of checking your child's take-home folder every night along with their agenda. Also help your child to remember to return the take-home folder and agenda to school every day. Here is what the fourth grade's daily schedule currently looks like. If you will please make a note, all students will be eating breakfast and lunch in the classroom. Also, at recess times, students will be playing in designated zones with their homeroom class. When 6 feet of social distancing is available, students will be allowed to remove their masks. However, when 6 feet of social distancing is not possible, students will be required to wear their masks. Each block on the schedule is a different content area. Each student will have 1 block of reading, 1 block of math, and 1 block of writing. The teachers will rotate to each classroom to teach the assigned content area. Students will begin and end their day with their homeroom teacher. A quick note about homework in fourth grade. The fourth grade teachers expect each student to read for at least 20 minutes every night. The teachers also expect students to be practicing multiplication facts for memorization. The goal is for students to have all multiplication facts memorized by December. Or if they're able to get all of those facts memorized earlier than that, that is awesome. Any additional homework items will be recorded in your child's agenda each day. Parents, please like our Facebook page, Turnbow Fourth Grade. The fourth grade teachers will also be using this page as a communication tool. Finally, as you are most likely aware, students will be required to wear a mask each day while they are at school, and this is from the Arkansas Department of Health. When 6 feet of social distancing is possible, your child will be allowed to remove their mask for a mask break. However, when 6 feet of social distancing is not possible, students will be required to wear masks. Also, the Springdale School District will be providing 2 gaiters for each child to wear if they would prefer to wear the gaiter instead of a mask. Those are pictured below. It is going to be a fantastic year. We are so excited and cannot wait to meet each and every one of you. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to your child's teacher. We cannot wait to see you soon.